Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. If you like my content, consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, today I'm here to share speaking connectors. I know whenever we are giving the speaking exam or whenever we are practicing speaking module with one of our friends, we get confused about what all connectors we need to use. So here I am going to tell you a simple rule. The rule I am going to tell here is quite similar to the Band's Brew rule. अगर आपने मेरी वो Band's Brew वाली वीडियो देखी होगी तो आपको पता होगा कि राइटिंग कितनी सिंप्लीफाइड हो सकती है with the help of a simple rule. Complex sentences के लिए you need not to recall, you need not to remind yourself, you need not to remember everything कि आपने अब ये complex sentence use करना है और you have to use some other complex sentence. So I'll recommend you to go through this as well, and this simple rule is warn. Warn, W-A-A-R-N. So basically are various connectors. You can use various connectors in speaking, such as W for while or whereas, A for also, again A for although, R for rather than, and N for not only but also. These are the connectors which I used when I got 9 band in my speaking module, and I'll recommend you to use only these connectors. 5 connectors are more than enough to score 9 plus band in speaking module. So let us get started with the first one, which is while or whereas. It is used for contradicting information, as in, or it is used for giving 2 opinions. Okay, so some people think that communication is the most essential attribute for becoming a successful professional, whereas others think that personality plays a major role. So आपने यहाँ दोनों points बता दिए. Some people think that communication is the best attribute to become successful professional, whereas or while others think that personality is the major contributor. So what are we doing? We have used 2 things. Here we are talking about 2 entities. We are talking about 2 sections of societies. So we can use while. Usually in follow-up questions, some of the questions are asked like such only. What is your opinion? What do you think about this? What do you think about the society? So point is, there we can easily use while and whereas. Talking about the second one, also is used for adding information. Whenever we have to add something, whenever we have to add some information, we use also. Let's say I am actually answering a cue card, and then I'm explaining one of the topics, an interesting journey. So let's say an interesting conversation or an interesting journey. So if I'm talking about the conversation, I remember I actually can tell I'm a talkative person by nature. So I know I actually have very interesting conversations with one person or the other. Okay, so here I would like to talk about one of the conversation with my grandfather. Also, आपने बता दिया वो, you have explained that one conversation, then you can use. Also, there was a conversation with my best friend, and that conversation was related to marriage. I remember that conversation. It was not only interesting but also knowledgeable for me. So you have used the word also here. These are the connectors which can be easily used in writing as well. But if you are going to use this in speaking, you will surely get 8 plus band in speaking module. That's what I'm telling you. Now talking about the third connector, guys, that is although. Although is used for 2 parts. One part is negative and the other is positive. We have 2 clauses. Although may first part, let's say the first part is negative, second is positive. So we are going to use although for such situations only. Although the pollution has been increasing, although the air pollution has been increasing at a rapid pace in many countries, it can be solved, it can be solved at domestic level. So point A, although throughout the world it is increasing, it can be solved at domestic level. So firstly negative, then positive. It can be solved. So you can use it easily in your speaking module in the cue card as well as in the question round when they are talking about advantages or disadvantages. What do you think about global warming? So you are telling advantages as well as disadvantages. So here in that case you can easily use the word although. Talking about the fourth connector, which is R, rather than. What does rather than? Rather than stands for something we are telling instead of doing this, do that. That is rather than. Okay, that is rather than. Rather than opting for sharing your personal credentials in order to operate applications of various technology firms. So up now when we have started writing complex sentences, we can speak complex sentences really well. It helps you a lot. So we are using the information, you have to share personal credentials in order to operate various applications. So here what is happening? Rather than sharing your personal credentials, in order to operate various techno firms applications. Okay, so you have told this, rather than doing this, one can browse their websites for information. So instead of installing the application, you can browse the website. Rather than installing the application and sharing your personal credentials, it's better to browse the website for information. So this is the way we have used rather than. Instead of, rather than this, do this. Instead of this, do that. So that is rather than. I hope it's clear to you. And the last one, which is actually my favorite one, not only and but also. And where do we use this? Whenever we are talking about two informations, when we are giving two informations related to one subject in a single sentence. So that is where we use not only and but also. Not only. So I have written a very wonderful sentence here. You can use this. This will not only make the life of people easy, but also convenient. So you can talk about, let's say you are talking about some particular remedy. Okay. And then you are stating ki concentration or communication, social gatherings. You can talk about social gathering. Social gatherings will not only make the life of people easy, but also convenient. So you are telling the social gathering has two positive points. First one is it is making the life of people easy, and the other one is it is making the life of people convenient. Okay, and they are less depressed as well. So you are using not only but also two positive information. So what is the rule here? Warn. It's not warn, it's warn. WAARN. Whenever you are writing, whenever you are actually preparing the cue card notes, try to write warn on the top of the sheet. It will help you in recalling the connectors and you will not face any problem. Just use these connectors in your speaking and get 8+ band. I can assure you for this because I have got 9 through these connectors. I have got 8.5 as well and I have got 8 as well. So just go for this one and you will wonderfully achieve your scores. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you liked it, just give it a like as well as share it with your friends who are in need. Thank you so much guys.